Hi, this is Freya. Let's get started by creating a new project with my build cost. Click on Create. Enter the name of the project. Enter the address. Select the type of project. These are the various options to add work breakdown structure to a new project. Let's select an option for creating work breakdown structure from scratch. Next, you have to select currency and the type of tax. Here you can upload your project image and you are done. You can see that the project has been created. It is also listed in the list of projects. Now let's create a new project head. Project head can be the name of your building or site development, etc. You can add multiple project heads in the same project by clicking on Add Project Head. Let's name a project head as Building A. In this you can also add areas if you want the cost per area. Select units as square feet to square meter from the drop-down. As the project head is created. Now let's add cost heads below it. For example, let's create a cost head for flooring, skirting for wall tiling. You can also assign budget to this cost head, say 1 lakh. Now you can start estimating against this cost head. So you can add your item groups and work items below that. Say, flooring, and below that you can add work item. So you have options to select the work item from your existing library or master library, or you can add new work item. So, category name is suppose flooring. Then item name is 600 by 600 vitrified tile flooring. You can assign the rate directly to this item, or you can use unit rate analysis option. So suppose for 100 square feet, you can add resources below this which are required for 100 square feet of quantity. Say 600 by 600 vitrified tile. (108 square feet). Suppose at the rate 45 rupees. You can also add tax. Then you can add labor below it. Labor for 600 by 600 vitrified tile flooring. say 100 square feet at the rate of 20 and then add tack. Add this into your work breakdown structure. So you can add multiple levels below this work item, say ground floor and first floor. So now your rate is assigned to this work item which has come through your unit rate analysis. And now you need to add quantity to this item, so if you click on the calculator, it takes you to the takeoff tool to derive the quantity for this ground floor, flooring, which is shown in separate video on how to do quantity takeoff. Similarly, you can go on adding various cost heads under project head and multiple items below this cost heads. Now, let's add one more group item. Say, wall tiling, below which we will add a work item from the existing library or master library. You will see that for 100 square feet the resources are added below this item. You can also add sub-levels under this item. You can check all the sub-levels by clicking on the Expand All button. Now let's see another example of items with direct rate by adding one more cost head. Say lift. Now let's add a new work item with direct rate. Say, category name as lift. Suppose item name as providing and installing automatic 8-passenger SS cabin lift. Select direct rate. Say quantity 1, unit as numbers, at the rate of 10,36,000. This direct rate is now assigned to this particular work item. This item will be added to your project library as well. This is how you can add items either from an existing or master library or by creating a new work item.